Fraud alert, Trump's plots legal action on TrumpCoin. So live on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria, article on market musings by Connor Sefton. If you buy keys live on our keys tube, we'll be reviewing this article. Feel free to click on the red subscribe button beneath this video to support us, and also turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial or informative uploads that around the crypto world as well as other tech happenings. You can also click on the like button, share this video and more, guys. You want to drop your handle, so we'll give you a shout out in the comment section on our next video upload. So back to the news. It says Donald Trump has long been critical of cryptocurrencies, warning that they undermine the supremacy of the US dollar. Nonetheless, the then US president was oddly quiet when a new digital asset called TrumpCoin all the way back in February 2016. The altcoin bills itself as the number one patriot cryptocurrency, but its investors have ended up suffering a painful lesson in free market economics. So trading volumes platforms have practically dwindled to nothing, and current price of 0.2 cents or 0.69 marks a fall of 88.23% from all-time highs of $1.67 dollars that were recorded in January 2018. And now, almost 6 years after the coin launch, Donald Trump's son Eric has publicly disavowed the project for the first time, tweeting, "For the loud, it has come to our attention that someone is promoting a cryptocurrency called TrumpCoin, symbol Trump. This has nothing to do with our family. We do not authorize the use, and we are in no way affiliated with this group. Legal action will be taken." So the stern statement has drawn a rather confused response from those behind TrumpCoin, who pointed out that the FAQ section on their website has long stated that the asset is not owned, operated, endorsed by, or otherwise affiliated with Donald J. Trump or any of his organizations. So, guys, we have CoinMarketCap podcast, Apple Podcasts. You want to check it out? It's usually very informative. You can also listen to the browser here directly. Informative and crypto podcast. So Chopcoin troubles. It says why cryptocurrencies remain largely unpopular within corridors of power in Washington. A smaller number of U.S. lawmakers have started to embrace digital assets, and in recent years, altcoins have been used to make a political point. The Biden era has resulted in the launch of the altcoin "Let's Go Brandon," inspired by a slogan that is effectively shortened for Joe Biden. So it was launched by a man who firmly believes that Trump should still be president today, and Steve Bannon, who served as Trump's campaign advisor, has taken a strategic ownership position in cryptocurrency. One of FJB's supporters messaged me back in November and asked for the coin to be promoted in the news story. When he didn't get a reply within 24 hours, he called me a nice. So guys, that's all. It's your boy Keys. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube videos channel, and stay tuned for more. I'll drop the link in the description box so you can get access to these and many more. Peace out.